What are we working on here, Tim?
Okay, this Mercedes C180 compressor. The client made a complaint about a rattle noise upon startup, and half an hour into the actual driving, or the journey of driving, I should say. So our initial diagnosis of the vehicle turns out the camshaft, inlet camshaft adjuster is worn out, causing a horrific rattle in the engine. Quite loud that it makes you want to switch the engine off. So the result is that now we've got to the state, as you can see, engine block cover, all of them have been removed. So this is the inlet camshaft adjuster. This actually alters the camshaft timing. It's hydraulically controlled with oil pressure and a solenoid. Once this wears out, it causes a very large rattle noise. At the same token, we like to replace the timing chain as well. So once this is complete, we'll reset the adaptations and have the car back to the customer.